Okay, this is Waimea Canyon on the island of Kauai, and quite often it's called the Grand Canyon of Hawaii. You can see why they do that. This is actually a backup now. I've videotaped everything on my phone before. I just had my lunch break, and silly as I am, I walked down to that little boulder, or what seems to be a boulder, but it's nothing but sand here. Sand, 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 and it's slippery as hell. It's all just rushing away under your feet, really. And even the rocks that you can see, all the lava rocks, they're not secure. They're very slippery, loose, and whatever you hang on to, it just falls apart or slips out, breaks out, and you can't hold on to anything really. But there you go. From down there, there were beautiful views over to the waterfall and the end of the canyon trail that I've been on. But as you know me, I always have to go further and higher and deeper, and trying to get better spots to take pictures. So I'm not going to go down there again, but just trying to see over there, that ridge, that orangey color ridge, that's where the trail ends, or just to the right of it you can come down into the waterfall area. And this is what I've been able to capture from that spot down there. But I will not go down there again because it was just extremely dangerous, especially coming back up. I was crawling on all my fours basically, hoping I wouldn't slip because you'd be gone. Anyway, this is Waimea Canyon on the island of Kauai, and the island of Hawaii. And here I am, so you believe me that it was me doing all this. I should turn the camera the other way, but I'm just fiddling with this and trying to see if that works. GoPro, stop capture. It's not doing it.